Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Sonax Wheel Cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools in any car enthusiast's detailing arsenal, as it promises to effortlessly dissolve stubborn brake dust, road grime, and unsightly contaminants, transforming dull, dirty wheels into pristine, showroom-worthy masterpieces with minimal effort and maximum impact, ensuring your vehicle always makes a striking impression. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Gerbil Wheel and Rim Cleaning Brush ACC_B01. Introducing the ultimate tool for pristine wheels. This premium brush is specifically designed to safely clean delicate surfaces, ensuring your wheels and rims look their best without any damage. Crafted with soft, natural fibers, it holds cleaning products effectively. Its gentle bristles reach into tight areas, making it ideal for sensitive finishes. Say goodbye to brake dust, grime, and buildup. This brush safely and efficiently removes contaminants, protecting the integrity of your vehicle's delicate surfaces. It's not just for wheels. This versatile tool works wonders on polished, painted, and chrome surfaces. Use it confidently on exhaust tips, tire sidewalls, and engine bay components. Featuring long, soft bristles, it effortlessly conforms to intricate shapes and tight spaces. This ensures complete coverage and gentle cleaning, reaching where other brushes simply can't. Designed for extended use, its ergonomic handle provides exceptional comfort and control. The lightweight construction reduces fatigue, even when detailing multiple components. Trusted by car enthusiasts and detailers worldwide, it delivers reliable cleaning power. This brush maintains the integrity of delicate automotive surfaces, making it a professional's choice. What we like. This brush features incredibly soft, natural bristles, ensuring a scratch-free clean even on the most delicate wheel finishes. Its flexible design allows it to reach intricate shapes and tight spaces effortlessly. If you have expensive, delicate wheels or intricate spoke designs, you should consider this for a safe and thorough clean. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Wheel Cleaner Signature Series. Tired of dull, dirty wheels? This powerful cleaner is designed to restore their brilliant shine. It makes your wheels look their best. It effortlessly cuts through stubborn brake dust, making your wheels look brand new. Say goodbye to unsightly grime and hello to pristine surfaces. Whether you have gloss, chrome, or painted wheels, this formula is safe to use. It protects your valuable finishes while delivering a deep clean. Even powder-coated and clear-coated wheels are safe with this gentle yet effective solution. It ensures no damage, only a sparkling finish every time. Experience the ease of a professional-level clean right at home. It makes maintaining your wheels simple and effective, giving them that showroom look. What we like. This spray is engineered to be safe for a wide range of wheel finishes, from gloss to chrome and painted. It effectively tackles stubborn brake dust and road grime without causing damage. If you are looking for a reliable, all-around wheel cleaner that prioritizes safety for various wheel types, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 3. Sonax Guy's Wheel Cleaner. Tired of dirty wheels and tires? This powerful cleaner effortlessly removes grime, leaving them sparkling clean. It's designed to tackle even the toughest road dirt. Worried about damaging your rims? This formula is gentle yet effective, safe for a wide range of materials. You can trust it with your precious wheels. Brake dust can be stubborn and unsightly. This product specifically targets and dissolves brake dust, restoring your wheel's original shine. Say goodbye to those dark, dusty rims. Whether you have alloy, chrome, or aluminum rims, it's up to the task. It's formulated to deliver outstanding results on various finishes. Keep all your wheels looking their best. Don't forget your tires. This versatile solution also works wonders on white wall tires, bringing back their crisp, clean look. It's truly an all-in-one wheel and tire solution. Achieve professional-level cleanliness right at home. Its easy-to-use formula makes detailing your wheels a breeze. You'll love the showroom finish it provides. What we like. This cleaner offers powerful performance in removing brake dust and grime from your rims and tires. Its versatile formula is safe for many materials, including alloy, chrome, and white wall tires. If you need a robust and adaptable solution for both your rims and tires, this product delivers impressive cleaning power across the board. What people say. Number 2. Carfidant Rim Reactor Wheel and Rim Cleaner Spray. Introducing the ultimate solution for sparkling clean wheels. This powerful spray effortlessly tackles brake dust and grime, making your rims look brand new. Its unique gel-based concentrate clings to surfaces for maximum cleaning. You can use it full strength for tough jobs or dilute it for regular washes, getting more value from every bottle. Experience its innovative color-changing formula. As it reacts with iron deposits, it turns purple, visibly breaking down stubborn brake dust and metallic contaminants. This pH-balanced, non-acidic formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your wheels. It's safe for chrome, black, painted, and alloy finishes, ensuring no damage or stains. Cleaning your wheels has never been simpler. Just spray it on, wait 2 to 4 minutes, and rinse off. In most cases, no scrubbing is needed for a brilliant shine. What we like. This product stands out with its thick, gel-based concentrate that clings to surfaces for maximum cleaning power. The innovative color-changing formula visually indicates when it's working, turning purple as it breaks down iron deposits. If you prefer a product that minimizes effort and provides a visual cue of its effectiveness, this no-scrub solution is perfect. What people say. Number 1. Sonax Wheel Cleaner Plus 230400. Introducing the ultimate solution for sparkling clean wheels. This powerful cleaner makes removing tough grime effortless. It features a non-acidic formula, ensuring it's gentle yet effective. You can trust it on all wheel types and finishes without worry. Watch it in action as its unique color-changing formula indicates when it's ready to be rinsed. This visual cue ensures a thorough clean every time. Say goodbye to stubborn brake dust, grime, and dirt. Its powerful deep cleaning formula tackles even the most challenging buildup. Simply spray it on, let it work its magic, and rinse away. Achieving pristine wheels has never been easier. Each bottle contains 750 milliliters, providing ample solution for multiple cleaning sessions. It offers great value for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. What we like. This cleaner boasts a powerful, non-acidic formula that is safe for all wheel types while delivering deep cleaning. It also features a color-changing indicator, letting you know it's actively dissolving brake dust and grime. If you prioritize a strong, yet safe, deep clean with the added benefit of a visual working indicator, this is a top contender. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.